How to sell Pi coins on Bitget. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily sell your Pi coins on the Bitget app. First off, open up your Bitget and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here you want to head over to your Assets tab to look at your Pi coins. Tap on Assets and scroll down until you find your assets and then find Pi Network. Tap on Pi and you will see the amount of Pi that you have on your account. So from here, you want to go to the trade tab. And once you go here, you will be taken to the trade spot. Now from here, you're going to have to select the sell option right besides buy. And once you select sell, you can select the quantity that you want to sell. And then from here, tap on sell Pi. All you have to do is just confirm your purchase and it's going to convert it to USDT. Now tap on confirm. And here, as you can see, if you give a quick refresh, it's going to show you that you have your USDT increased. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.